there's nothing more powerful than the vibration of your own breath.